So you want to be an automotive paint technician, but you're not really sure where to start. Guess what? You clicked on the right video. Hey guys, my name is Garrett and welcome to today's video. Today we'll be talking about how you can become an automotive paint technician. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe for more videos just like this. I also have a 1986 Jeep Grand Wagoneer project that is on the channel. It's such a project and I'm hoping to paint it within the next year or so after I get done fixing up the body and making sure everything looks good. So, if you like auto body and paint, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Without further ado, let's get straight into this video. So a little background on myself. I started in this industry back in 2020 as a paint line technician here at a Mako in the Detroit area. I started out sweeping the floors, sanding and prepping cars for paint, and then I eventually got my foot in the door to do some bodywork as a body shop apprentice. I did that for a year, moved to a dealership where I was a combo guy. I did bodywork and then they started to teach me how to paint. Did that for a year and now I'm currently a painter helper and a backup painter. The steps that you can take to become an automotive paint technician, what I would do, well, let me start out by saying the first thing I wouldn't do is go to school, and here are my reasons why. The main reason why I didn't go to school for auto body and paint, about 5 years ago I went to an HVAC trade school for almost a year. I spent $25,000 on this almost 1 year program and I learned pretty much nothing. They slam so much information in such a short amount of time and expect everything to stick. And all my professors were saying, you won't really know what it'll be like until you actually get out on the field. So this is when I was starting to think, why am I spending all this time and money when this isn't even an accurate representation of what I would be doing out in the field? To me, it just didn't really make sense. Plus, all these companies that are hiring, they'll train you to what they're looking for in each one of their techs. So I was out a year and I was out about 25 grand. So why would you spend a year and a bunch of money when you could get started in the field almost right away and get paid to learn? And not only that, if you end up not liking it after a year or so, guess what? You got paid to learn, you didn't waste any money, and you can even use that knowledge that you learned to apply to your own vehicles. So the steps that I would take to become an automotive paint technician, I would go on Indeed or Monster.com and start looking for, you can type in a couple different things. You can type in painter helper, you can type in automotive painter, you can type in auto body paint, auto painter apprentice. There's lots of different names. What you're really looking for is enroll in some sort of apprentice. And I would do this at a dealership versus a small independent shop, and here's why. In my experience, dealerships take better care of you. They offer health benefits. They offer 401ks. Not all smaller shops like to spend the coin on PPE and benefits and 401k and all that stuff. I'm not saying all small shops are the same, but the more employees that these companies like dealerships have that are on their team, the more of a better discount that they get on their benefits packages to offer to their employees. So what I would do, get on Indeed, Monster.com, start applying. If you don't have any luck, start walking into these dealerships and asking, hey, do you guys have a body shop? Do you need some extra help back there? I'm interested in getting my foot in the door. I'm willing to do whatever it takes. That's the thing. You gotta be willing to do whatever it takes. Now we're going to talk about some of the things you would be doing on the job. Prepping out parts for paint utilizing air-powered tools. Mask vehicles for paint. Color match. Mix paint. Locate paint codes. Ability to adjust paint color if needed. Study the flop and face of paint. Studying and using different types of paint guns. You'll be learning how to spray primer, sealer, base coat, and clear coat. You'll be learning how to spray different types of paint jobs like single stage, base clear, tri-coats, and etc. You'll be learning how to blend and studying the different types of blends. Learning about different types of paint like water versus solvent. Work with management team and estimators to prepare proper estimate and repair plan to return vehicles to pre-loss condition. Operate and uses all body shop equipment properly and safely. Review estimate and repair plan to ensure all areas and parts to be refinished are included. Inspect body repair and all parts to ensure quality standards are met before refinishing. Mask and protect all areas and parts that are not to be refinished. Prepare vehicle and all parts to be refinished to manufacturer specifications. Select and mix coatings to manufacturer specification and perform spray out panels to achieve proper color match. Inspect refinished vehicles for quality standards and correct any defects. Maintain tools and keep equipment clean and in a proper state of repair. Keep paint booth clean. Keep paint booth, paint mixing room, and work area clean. Maintain and wear all required safety and health personal protective equipment, including respirator, gloves, safety glasses, etc. Complies with all laws and regulations pertaining to paint, thinners, and other hazardous materials. If you want to learn the requirements and the qualifications to becoming an auto body or paint technician, watch this video right here next. Hopefully this video helped out. If it did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot, take care, and hopefully we'll see you in the next one.